Welcome back to another episode of the Grow Your Daycare podcast. I am your host, Christina Rizakos. Happy that you are here, my friend. So if you are tired of posting on social media and hearing crickets, this episode is for you. Some of the best families you will ever enroll will come from one place, another happy parent talking about you. So today I'm going to show you how you can turn casual word of mouth into a simple referral system that quietly runs in the background and helps you fill your spots. You don't need any fancy software, big discounts, or awkward sales conversations. You just need a clear offer and a few simple steps, okay? So if you're new to our world, my name is Christina Rizakos. I own the Childcare Business Marketing Agency, and I am the host of the Grow Your Daycare podcast. In this podcast, we help providers and center owners with their online marketing so they can reach more families and fully book their programs. And by the end of this episode, you'll know how to create a simple referral reward, tell parents about it without feeling pushy or salesy, and make it easy for them to send families your way. So, why does word of mouth work? Well, most parents don't just Google like daycare near me, for example, and enroll in the first place they see. They ask their friends, their neighbors, co-workers, and other parents, especially in local Facebook groups. So when a parent says, we love our daycare, that recommendation is worth more than any ad you can run. And your job is not to force referrals, but it is to organize what is already happening, okay? So first step, create a referral reward. I want you to choose a referral reward that is easy to explain and affordable to you. So this could be a small tuition credit or a gift card to a local store or a coffee shop, or a simple thank you gift like a snack basket or a movie night kit, okay? So your script can be simple as, for every family you send who enrolls, you get, and you mention your reward. That's your referral program. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that. Second step, I want you to decide on a few basic rules. So when is the reward given? So for example, is it after the new family has been enrolled for 30 days, 20 days, a couple of months? The other thing I want you to ask yourself is how many times can a parent earn it? So is it once a year or is it unlimited, right? That is totally your choice. Thirdly, how will you track it? Because you want to make sure, obviously, that it is actually bringing you in clients and that it's working, right? So this can be as simple as a note in your phone or a page in a notebook. Like, don't overthink this part. The goal is really just to start, not to build the perfect system, okay? Step 3, now that you have your program, your referral program, and that you have your basic rules, now it's time to tell your parents. So now you need to tell your families that this amazing referral program exists. So you can do this in 3 ways. First, send a short text message or an email. Second, you can put a small line in your newsletter or on a flyer. And third, mention it naturally in person. So here's a simple message you can use. So we're opening a few spots and would love your help spreading the word. When you refer a family who enrolls, you'll receive, and you state the reward, right? If you know someone looking for care, feel free to share a name and have them mention you. That's it. That's all it is, okay? So step 4, make it easy to share. So I want you to make this super simple for parents, because if we overcomplicate things for them, they will not do this, right? So this is a simple call to action. So give them something they can pass along. So this could be a website link, maybe a photo of the flyer, or a one-page image with your contact information, right? You can even suggest a text they can send like, hey, this is where my child goes to daycare. We really like them. Here's their info if you want to check them out. And then you make sure, obviously, you mention your city, your phone number, and the ages that you serve in your program. We actually do this for our clients when we're working inside the agency and we are optimizing their Google My Business profile. There's a section that we can actually send a link that sends, when someone clicks on it, they land exactly like on the reviews page of their business. So when we're doing this, I actually write a very simple script, just like the one I just read to you. And I email this to my client and I ask them to email this in their newsletter, and also to send a text to all the clients that they have in their program right now. And it works amazingly because it's really simple. All this person has to do is just click and then fill out a quick, give you a star rating and fill out the review for them, right? But in your case, if you're sending them to, a landing page, make sure you have the right link. If you're sending them to a flyer or on your Facebook business page, right, you have to make sure that the links and the destination is clear on, this image, the flyer, or whatever it is that you're sending, okay? But it does work. Step 5, timing matters. So ask at the right time. So the best time to mention your referral program is after a positive conversation, right? So after a good progress update or the start of a new season where parents are talking to other parents. So you're not begging, you're just inviting. So you can say, just so you know, we do have a small thank you referral program. If you ever send a family our way and they enroll, you get whatever it is, right? So you're not going to do this when someone is not happy with your services, obviously. You're going to do this when you're talking with parents, start a brand new year. And again, when someone, praises your daycare or tells you like I shares an amazing comment or a testimonial, that's when you want to kind of share this because that's the best time, obviously. When a referral comes in. So what do you do when a new family contacts you and says, so-and-so told me about what you do? I want you to do these 3 things. First, thank them and mention the referral parent by name, right? You want to make them feel as though, yes, you know your clients by name and it's not just like a tuition fee for you, right? Second, write down so that you can remember, obviously. And third, when the reward is earned, make a point of giving it and saying thank you. So this shows the parents that their referrals are noticed and appreciated. So let's recap real quickly, you guys. Choose a simple reward that works for you. Set basic rules. Tell your parents about it via text, email, or in person. Make it easy for them to share with you. Write a simple script and just send them this via email or in a chat message or a text. If you do, and mention it in a natural, positive moment at the right time, obviously. So if you do those 5 things, you can turn casual, we love our daycare comments, into real enrollment opportunities. I really hope that this episode helped you. I'd love to know, do you already have a referral program? And if not, which reward idea will you try first? I would love to know. If you want more plug and play scripts, not only referrals, but also social media content and really just getting local families to see you on social with simple captions and graphics, we can actually do that. We can help you inside our Skool community. Our memberships start at only $9 a month. Make sure you check those out. All the links are in the show notes. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.